One of the main reasons why organizations implement cloud ERP software is to future-proof their business. Well, what exactly does it mean to future-proof your business, and what does cloud ERP software have to do with any of that? That's what I want to talk about here today. My name is Eric Kimberling. I'm the CEO of Third Stage Consulting. We're an independent consulting firm that helps clients throughout the world to reach the third stage of digital transformation success. And we're helping clients through their digital strategy and software selection process. We oftentimes, in most cases, are looking at cloud ERP systems. Now, to be clear, I've been a bit of a skeptic and a contrarian when it comes to cloud software over the years. And actually, to learn more about why I'm a contrarian and to share some of the dark sides of cloud ERP systems, check out this video right here. I dive into what the dark side is that you should be aware of. Even if you are going down the path of cloud, you just want to be aware of that. So check out that video here. But in this video, I want to talk about the benefits of cloud. Why do organizations use cloud systems as a way to future-proof their business? And how does cloud ERP software, how can cloud ERP software future-proof yours? And that's what we'll talk about here today. Now, if you'd like to learn more about specific cloud systems, which ones are out there and how they compare to one another, you can download our 2025 Digital Transformation Report. It's an annual report we publish each year that contains a number of independent reviews and rankings of different cloud providers in the marketplace, as well as other tips to make your digital transformation successful. You can read that report by scanning the QR code right here or go to the links below. When organizations are going through an ERP project, more often than not, they want to standardize their business processes. They're using this as an opportunity to create a common set of processes that's consistent across the organization so that you can provide more consistent service to your customers and also provide an easier work experience for your employees. So a cloud ERP system actually enables standard business processes more so than on-premise systems did, in that cloud systems don't necessarily allow you to customize the software in the way you did in the past with your on-premise systems. So by definition, you are inherently sort of forcing yourself into a standard business process model with cloud ERP systems. Now, don't get me wrong, this is a good thing in most cases if that's one of the goals you're trying to accomplish, but it does create problems as well. So you just need to be aware that the risk here is that now you suddenly are giving up potential flexibility. It's going to be more of a change for your employees to adapt to these common business processes. May be the right answer for you longer term, but you just need to be aware of that change management resistance that comes along with standard business processes. But if your definition of future-proofing your business and making your organization more successful in the future is to provide standard business processes, then cloud ERP technologies are one way to do that. There's a concept floating around in the ERP software industry called technical debt. A lot of times industry analysts will talk about technology or technical debt in the context of outdated systems. If you fall so far behind in your technology that it's going to take a lot of time and money to catch up and you're falling behind the competition, that is the definition of technical debt. Now, one of the benefits of cloud ERP systems is that for better or for worse, they're continuously innovating the software and continuously rolling out new enhancements, whether you want to or not. In the past, you would have to wait until you were ready, until you decided to update or upgrade your on-premise system. But with cloud solutions, you're automatically getting access to the billions of dollars of R&D and innovation that software vendors are investing in their cloud solutions. The other aspect of cloud systems that can be very powerful is the ability to integrate. When you look at third-party applications and the need you might have to integrate to your core ERP system, the cloud makes it actually easier to do that because now you've got a central location that's easier to access, that oftentimes has very robust integration tools that allow you to bring on third-party bolt-ons a little bit easier than in the old on-premise environment. So constant innovation, avoiding technical debt, and having continuous integration and improvements with other technologies is one of the other reasons why cloud ERP systems can help you future-proof your business. Along with standard business processes and continuous improvement and innovation of technology, cloud systems also provide a foundation for more effective use of artificial intelligence. Now with the cloud and that central location of having centrally stored data and having standard and consistent business processes, now suddenly you've created an environment that isn't perfect, but it's more suitable for artificial intelligence. So if you think about artificial intelligence and trying to leverage artificial intelligence with old, outdated, homegrown, legacy on-premise systems, that's a tough proposition. But if you have software and data and applications residing in the cloud, Now suddenly, not only do you have access to AI tools that the software vendor has provided to you, but the AI is more effective because the functions and the processes and the data are all in one consistent format in one consistent location in the cloud. So if you're looking to AI as a game changer for your business and another way to future-proof your business, then cloud ERP software can be a great way to go about it. Cybersecurity is one of the hottest topics and hottest concerns for CIOs here in the 2020s. There's cyber attacks happening every day. There's outside hackers trying to get into your systems. There's also even just internal employees that make mistakes, innocent mistakes, that can compromise your cybersecurity. So the beauty of cloud ERP systems is that these software providers have built these big, massive, secure data centers that house all of your applications and all the other customers' applications and data sets. It's not perfect. There's still breaches occasionally. But if you think about it, the big software vendors have much bigger budgets to protect data and applications, and they have much more to lose if there's a compromise because all their customers will be affected. And so you have to think, is a software vendor going to be able to provide better cybersecurity in that environment than your one or two man or woman shop internally within your internal IT group? So instead of having just a handful of cybersecurity experts on your team internally, a software vendor is going to have hundreds or maybe even thousands of cybersecurity experts whose only job is to make sure that the systems and the data within those systems are secure in the cloud. So if cybersecurity is a concern, and it should be if you're operating here in the 2020s, then cloud ERP software can be a great way to enable stronger and tighter cybersecurity. These are just a few reasons why organizations go through cloud ERP implementations. There's other benefits as well. I'm not covering all the benefits of cloud here today, but I did want to talk about those low-hanging fruits, those big items that create future-proof businesses. And cloud systems enable these several aspects that we've talked about here today. Now, if you'd like to learn more about cloud ERP systems and how to be successful in your journey and how to plan for your digital strategy to ensure that you're making a measured and effective and strategic migration to the cloud from wherever you are today, I encourage you to read our 2025 Digital Transformation Report. It's a report we publish each year, contains a number of best practices and lessons from cloud migrations, as well as an independent review and rankings of comparisons of different cloud systems in the marketplace. You can find that report by scanning the QR code right here, or you can go to the links below. So I hope you found this information useful and hope you have a great day. Is to future-proof. Okay. Reasons why organizations implement ERP. No, let's try that again. One of the